Hello, so what's up, guys? Hey, good morning. Greetings. This is my quick overview of our experience of renting 2017, I believe, Dodge minivan from Enterprise in July of 2018. This is a Dodge Caravan SXT. It's the standard minivan that you get from Enterprise. While we actually rented the standard SUV, they didn't have that in our small town Enterprise location. So they gave us the Dodge Caravan here for the same price, which was like $480 for 1 week with unlimited miles. So we drove it to Florida and back. So yeah, we drove from Lexington, Virginia to Naples, Florida, and put 2,000 some miles on it in a week. It was a 14-hour trip each way, so spent a lot of time in here, which is, we have a GMC Acadia and a Nissan Altima, but just wanted the space and the the assurance of having a new vehicle. I don't know if this is leather or vinyl. It's a cheap leather with like cloth. And the inserts here. It's got this bare bones infotainment system. It does have Bluetooth and USB. You can play your audio files off of this, like audio books, music and such, or actually copy them to the hard drive that this has. Of course, it's got your auxiliary in, standard climate control, passenger side seat is not power, driver side seat is power. You got your cup holders, your storage here, two cigarette lighter hookups in here. This was important, having plenty of power hookups. You've got a USB in here, and then you have the USB right there, but these are both low power, so it's better to use your cigarette lighter type power adapters there. You got your controls for popping the doors in the back, in the trunk, the hatch. You've got sunglass holder, dome lights. It's got your vanity mirrors, two glove box storage places here. It's got some storage down there. It's got your cup holder / storage here. Of course, it's got power windows and locks. The doors are automatic, of course. You got bucket seats in the second row, and then you got a whole third row seat, of course, with 3 seats, so you can fit 7, of course. You got your armrests, which are pretty crappy vinyl. No power seats back here, of course. On the side over here, which I'll get to, you've got your one cigarette lighter power source back here is all you have. You've got 2 cup holders and storage right there. Storage in the back of the seats here. And you've got some storage and cup holders, of course, for the third row seat, which we never used. It's in the down position right now. You got your rear climate control. Plenty of vents back here. It uses the flex fuel, which I'll get to here shortly. You got your regular controls here, power controls. The key is key slash key fob combination that you stick in the ignition. Say the infotainment system here is bare bones.
Connect phone.
It's got satellite radio, which of course you have to pay extra for. I don't know what it's doing right now. Trying to make a phone call. Yeah, AM, FM satellite radio. Media is where you can do a disc, of course, which loads by hitting the eject load button here, or your flash drive, USB flash drive, or it's actually picked up and resumed streaming from my phone, podcasts with Google Play or iTunes. So yeah, it uses the E85 flex fuel and this economy button, designated by the yellow gas pump, which saves you about 30 cents a gallon. It's high ethanol content gasoline. The vehicle drives good. It's got a V6, I believe. You know, it handled good, super comfortable, roomy for a long trip. I definitely would recommend it. Would I have it? I mean, maybe if it was upgraded, but it's pretty bare bones for a new vehicle like this. It's got nice looking rims on it, which everything has nowadays, I guess. But yeah, it was a good trip, and we were happy with it for $500, you know, and put a lot of miles on it. It's actually higher normally to rent the minivan. 600 and something, I believe, or 699, maybe 700 for a week. But you know, like I say, we rented the standard SUV and got this instead, so we're pretty happy. So yeah, you know, if you want to see our trip report review of Naples, Florida, and well, Daytona Beach as well, Florida, check out my other videos. Please like and subscribe, of course. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. The rear seats. Let's see. They're pretty easy. There you go. Oh, sorry, you missed it. But yeah, it's pull a couple straps and it flips right up just like that. Same way it goes down. Really easy peasy, Japanesey. And that's it. Lots of room back here. Lots of storage. And that's it. That's the 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT with flex fuel E85 ethanol. You can download an app to tell you where the E85 flex fuel gas stations are, and that's essential. Like in our town, we only have one. And a lot of areas between Virginia and Florida had none. So about half the time we were able to find the E85 ethanol flex fuel gasoline. And the other half the time we had to use regular gas. So I hope you enjoyed my review. Thank you for watching, of course. Please like and subscribe. And if you want to see our trip report on Daytona Beach, Florida and Naples, Florida, check out my other videos. Thank you.